Stonehenge, the world's most mysterious monument. For centuries, historians and archaeologists have debated its true origins. But a groundbreaking new study suggests that Stonehenge may have been more than just a temple. It was a symbol of unity for ancient civilizations, and its massive altar stone may have traveled over 700 kilometers from Scotland. What does this tell us about the people who built it? And why did they go to such incredible lengths to create it? Let's uncover the truth. According to a recent study in Archaeology International, Stonehenge wasn't just an isolated structure. It was rebuilt between 2620 and 2480 BCE as a way to unite different Neolithic communities. Think about it. Moving and arranging these massive stones required incredible cooperation. But here's the real shocker. The central altar stone may have come from northeastern Scotland, over 700 kilometers away. Transporting something that far without modern technology proves that multiple societies must have worked together, sharing knowledge, labor, and resources. Archaeologists believe Stonehenge served two major purposes: a religious center. The monument aligns with the solstices, suggesting it played a role in ceremonies linked to the sun and seasons. A political symbol. It may have been a unifying project that brought together distant groups, strengthening alliances and peace between early societies. And here's something fascinating. It was also a cemetery. Many human remains have been found buried beneath the stones, suggesting it may have been a sacred place to honor the dead. Even with this new research, there's still so much we don't know. Who exactly built Stonehenge? Why did they choose this location? And are there even more hidden secrets waiting to be uncovered? What do you think? Was Stonehenge a religious temple, a political statement, or something even more mysterious? Let us know in the comments. And if you love ancient mysteries, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest discoveries.